Robe, Kisii, Nyamira, Nechingongo chindi Chinsa ya Kenya. Abariki baitomba bakorentera mangana magia asenchira y'ubwikirano. Emanya mange nabo igobwatira n'Ensoko TV koigeka chingenjo cy'omugusi. Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi. Tomo chago tengere merobere ito yogosemia na gukumanya yago korekana kera rituko nabariki baito be andrete chinga ki chance asengencho yao eariganie asobo tengari botari no mubwekano. Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi.
Chumuligeli bw'Ensoko TV na domo basomu yango kwaligania SMS Amayia Ikomi nyinga ninki kendete gukorekana ime ya Chinsemo ime ya Totebe County ya Kisii na Nyamira nabo igo asorogongo rwonse ito ya Kenya sumo basobo no mwanchumulili nabo bagutubwatia senseme mtandao wa Facebook n'Ensoko TV tubwatia sensemo ya YouTube n'Ensoko TV chenguru ku Innocent Onyango negati tubwata sumo basoyo nikina kelikendete gutegererwa asikigambero kegoro igoro yo kurusigwa abisi ku muskeri gate gashagwa uyibona rumurayi w'ikyama ya DCP. Tochaka mwanchumuligeli abarai ba siasa niko bagendete goika asenka yomo seneta bwe county ya Kisii Richard Munyonga lyokurwa koremya kwabo no gusira ase amate yo seneta yo kubwatekana no gukwa kwa mama Teresa Nyabukomoke igati yabarai baikiranta asenka yaye no mubungo bamachoge barabu ubadia barongo mugavana bwe county ya Siaya James Orengo na omubunge bwe Embakasi East Babu Owino.
Even listening to you, Senator, you seemed to have a very beautiful relationship with your mom, because anytime you recounted those memories, you did it with a chuckle. So I really want you to continue cherishing those moments, because those moments will sustain you. Mimi nataka nikuombee Mwenyezi Mungu na pia niseme kwamba looking at this congregation, you can actually see there are people from all walks of lives, which means Onyonka that wewe ni mtu ambaye social skills zako ni yani excellent, na mimi ningependa to copy in your footsteps. I will also try ni socialize kabisa, ili mambo kama haya yakitokea marafiki si ndio watakusaidia.
Tuganda busi mwanchumulili ikine keregenderete gotegererwa asokurusigo kwa bisku musikerigathe gashawa buno mokonyi bumurayi bwense chinga kichu mwaka bw'ikiri 2024 gwitira aso muswada ugetigwa se chibunge che seneti ne bunge nene nigo kegenderete asikegambero kya igoro kia milimani munyagitari gikonyo bunyagitari ya Karen nigo bono arure obwena bwaye korengana no gutangwa nabo igo okurwarirwa kwa rigathe gashagwa asenyagitari eyu umwaka bw'ikiri 2024 ekera aringa ase seneti rigathe nigo asabire kegambero gutuguterare okurusigwa kwaye kune chibunge asikelia tebire nigo kwarenge mamincha yelichiko.
I have a document titled on 28 April 2026 consisting of 12 numbered paragraphs. Do you recognize this document?
Your Honor, I do, and I do have it.
Whose affidavit?
This affidavit, Your Honor, is mine, Dr. Ikomi.
Whose deponent's signature is on page 3 or 5 of that affidavit?
That signature, Your Honor, is mine, Dr. Ikomi.
Do you wish to adopt the contents therein as your evidence in this matter?
Your Honor, I do.
tell the court whether you are acquainted with any party before these proceedings in a professional capacity?
I believe by the party you mean the respondents. Yes, I'm acquainted with my patient, Honorable Rigathi Gachagua, whom I have taken care of. From my records, Your Honor, my hospital records that I do have with me, I have been a doctor to the said Honorable Rigathi Gachagua since, if I quote, 5:10 p.m. on the 10th of July, 2006.
Okay. When and under what circumstances did you meet the first petitioner, if at all, during the period in issue and relevant to these proceedings?
I believe for the purpose of this issue, you are referring to his hospitalization at the current hospital, which again, from my records, handwritten notes, happened at 3:25 p.m. on the 17th of October, 2024, Your Honor.
And what happened when you met him? What happened next?
Your Honor, the reason for his coming to hospital, he called to say he's on the way with chest pain, and we received him and acted accordingly.
From your experience and expertise as a cardiologist, what significance do such symptoms have?
Your Honor, you know, chest pain has two categorizations. There's chest pain that can occur if you are going to have a heart attack, medical terms called myocardial infarction. That, when you say you have chest pain in that category, we look at the possibilities of that being real. That's what we call the risk factors. And here's a man at his age.
Madam, my lady, with a very kind permission. With a very kind permission. I have listened to where the evidence, my lord, is headed, and in my very we appear.
Wanchumuliri tokagenda bosie kiombe kia magandire kati ya Asia na rugongo rwa Afrika iliyogokinia obulimi na gusuguma korange kegancha kenyare kobage kobeko iligosiro bulimi bwe Chinsa chia masabo bunenchire yemo yo komenta ligesa na nigobono gosaba kwa ruru ne komite yemo eyuetenete ekeganche kyo iliyokonyara koba konyora chibes chibwenerete na gokinia obulimi asorongo Afrika. Wanchumuliri nigoba yakwa na sebikaro bya 52 na kianda.
Artificial intelligence opportunities are emerging to advance rural development. Among the opportunities, smarter agriculture, improved market connectivity, enhanced advisory services, more efficient delivery of public services, which can bring sustained and substantial benefits if applied responsibly.
Agriculture remains central to Kenya's economy and livelihoods, and since 2019, the government has prioritized increasing smallholder incomes, enhancing productivity and value addition, and ensuring food security for all households.
Clearly articulated in international development frameworks and in many documents, where the importance of leveraging innovation and accelerating investment in rural areas highly underscored, as development pathways have to remain sustainable and equitable. We unfortunately aberrantly note that last month IMF World Economic Outlook has underlined long-term outlook for 2026-2030 remains the lowest in decades.
Wanchumuliri ino yobulimi tokagenda bosio murugibu murayibu enserecho ruto urugo kulira gochia asaba ibuli koba maiso ekera abana babo bagendete gutumika emitandao ya kerero muske recho nigo amentre goteba obusali ne chimbwe chimbe nigo chigendete gosangiriliwa nabo igo kogenderiliwa ase emitandao ya kerero.
The question we must now confront together is this: how do we ensure that every child in every village, town, and city has access to the tools of the digital age? How do we ensure that no child is left outside the global digital village while others move ahead? This is the equity challenge of our digital era, and it demands urgency, collaboration, and shared responsibility. Technology has connected our societies in ways previous generations could never have imagined. The world has truly become a global village. But with that transformation comes a new responsibility. Because today, somewhere on this continent and here in Kenya, a child is sitting quietly with a phone in their hand. They are learning. They are exploring. They are curious. But in that same moment, they may also be exposed, unprotected, and unseen. That is the paradox.
Omwelio mibere y'abantu bande babire yarusi gukorwa samagacho y'enyumba yole nairi oyuere Chinsa muchololwa imeye county ya Kajiado kubwatekana no magacha yokugwa mubaro bw'abantu batokire bakwete kubwatekana no gukwa kwenyo kwagokana kwenyo mbeyo ya maronga 5 nigo bono oikire abantu batatu.
Team, we have been on the ground since this building came down. We did recover one body on Saturday, on Sunday, and today we have managed to recover more bodies. So in total, we have recovered 3 bodies from the debris. What I would want to tell members of the public is that the exercise is still ongoing. We have information that there's still some more bodies, maybe 1 or 2, and by the end of the day, we'll be able to inform you on the progress that we shall have made.
Shukuru Mungu pia kwa sababu kumekuwa na dalili ya mvua tangu hiyo siku na leo imeweza kutupatia break kidogo, so that at least shughuli iendelee, na tuna hope that the remaining body yenye imebaki itaweza kukua imepatikana kwa muda mfupi. Uokoaji bado unaendelea.
Kirabu twikira mweri wa Amayia chetezita Ikomi mayaga Chinsa isano ibere chiwe Ikomi nande no manyigwe asobwa garenga kendete gukorekana gati yabo imisa yo gusabira yagusira umunyagitari Dr. Ubwaka agendreta semambie yabono mwanchumurili barai ao nigo baikiranira semise bagendete kurwa magombabo negati yari tuchikobato kumenyekera cyabere 10 igo tuchikobato bateningi kendete kurwa sikegambero kia milimani asekina yo bategera uruyukurusi kwa kumusikeri gatega kwa kegendete negati ya mange alitubwate ncheguru ku Innocent Onyango genda yakubwate mirobili yito ase mitandao yito yekerero anemona sese mail ya Facebook na bwego YouTube oya no ale inera ngwa swali gai.